Hello everyone, today I will explain you what is cout and cin in C++. Also, today I will show you the execution of first code on compiler. I will assure you that by the end of the video, you will be the one who know how to use cout and cin in C++. Please see the video completely with patience. Guys, some of you know, unlike other video tutorials, we will provide notes for our lectures, which saves your valuable time. We provide notes digitally in the form of blogs. You can enter codewithdare.blogspot.com in any browser like this. Select a browser and enter codewithdare.blogspot.com. Don't worry, I will place this link in description below with which you can access our blog. Here is our blog. You can go to the lectures, and from there in our menu you can see our topics one by one like this. Now we will select cout and cin for our present lecture. I will also place this link so that you can directly access these notes from the link in the description. For mobile users, you can have a menu here. You can see like this, this corner. Click on that, and thereon you can move on like this. Believe me, guys, it is such an awesome notes with daily life examples for every lecture. You won't get disappointment after visiting it. Okay, guys, let's dive into our main topic. Some of you might got doubt, what is this cout and cin? Don't panic. It's very much easy and basic thing in C++. Guys, in our daily life, we do everything to get some benefits. For example, you can see here. We keep the fruits in mixture to get juice. However, here we getting a benefit of converting fruits into juice. Similarly, we are doing coding for some benefits. Let me explain you in detail. Similar to mixture, we give some inputs to our code or program and get benefits through output. Our main objective is to create the code like this juicer so that we get benefits through output like this. Okay. If we given, for example, let us consider this as our code. If we give an example like 8 and 7, these are the inputs like fruits. Here we write a code to multiply these two numbers. Then we will get the output as 8 7 56. So if we enter here like 3 and 4, then we will get output as 12. Thus, we need to prepare the code so that there might be some use. Here the use is if this code can multiply any two numbers given by the user. Like if you give 1 and 5, then it will give the output 5. Okay, guys. Here, what is the use of cin and cout? Here cin will help us to give input to the program. So here cin helps to take this 8 and 7 inside to the code, and cout helps us to get output of the code. Like cout helps us to give this 56 or 12 like this output. So you might understand what is the uses of cout and cin in coding in C++. Okay, let's study the cin and cout briefly with examples in compiler. Guys, let's open an online C++ compiler. Guys, please see our lecture 1 and 2. 1 and 2 before lectures to understand what is compiler. Okay, let's open an online C++ compiler. Here is the one. Okay, guys. Now remove the code present here and go to the lecture notes. Here, select this code. Copy everything. Now paste it in compiler. Okay. Here in first line you can see hash include bits / std c++.h. Okay, guys, let me zoom in so that you can see it better. Here you can see this hash include slash std c++ dot h. Hey, what is this? What is this hash include bit slash std c++ dot h? Don't get panic. Guys, you come to our notes. Click on this. Okay, it will direct you to see this. Here it will explain what is hash include. Okay, basically to expand x plus 2 whole square, we have basic formula from our school textbook. Similarly, to solve or to use many standard inbuilt functions in C++, we use hash include iostream, hash include studio.h, hash include math.h at top of our program. Like this, we will use this head. These are header files. We will use them in top of the program. Hence, these hash include iostream, studio.h, math.h are called as header files. Hence, these header files can be treated as a textbook for a compiler. So, this this compiler refers this code, this line, this header file to execute the remaining code. Okay. Hence, okay. For example, printf, scanf, sort. So these are the functions hidden in header file, so that compiler can understand how this function works. Okay. There are more than 10 header files in C++. See guys, nowadays many people are not interested in learning too many words. So this C++ updated version gave us a single header file which contains all the functions and inbuilt variables whatever needed by the compiler in single tag, that is like single header file, that is hash include bit slash std std++ dot h. Okay, now you understand about this header file. This is like a textbook. It contains all references used by the compiler using namespace std. Okay, guys, it means using namespace std. Currently, there is no need to know about it as a beginner. So you can think it is also like a header file. What is this? This int mean in third line. 100 starts from 1. So coding, but here coding starts in C++ from the int main. Means whatever code we write, compiler always start from int main. This is a function. Wait, what is this function? Again, don't panic, guys. We will discuss about them in future lectures. There are many lectures, so don't worry. This int main works because of these header files. See, this int main will work because of this header file, because the work of the header file is hidden inside the, work of the int main is hidden inside the header file. Finally, we can say these header files contain the information about remaining things like main, cout, cin, endl, etc. See guys, in line 5th, we declared a variable of int type. It means it only stores integers. Here lecture number, lecture underscore no is a variable of type int. It only stores integer. Yes, in line 6, you see cout. Here we came. Cout is used to print the output. What is output? Where it will print it? Again, don't confuse. Let me run this program. Okay, you written this successful code. Now execute this. Okay, see guys, here you can see the output. Okay, let me keep it somewhat down. Okay, this is the output of the program. So now you might understand where it will get printed. You can write code here in the editor or compiler, and you can get output in the another window like this. So from today onwards, we will write codes in C++ like this in a compiler, and we will get output here in another a window. Okay, now I will explain how this is happening. Guys, see in line number 6, wait guys, you should always follow standard syntax. What is syntax? Syntax is a rule to write code. Remember guys, after cout we should use these two less than symbols. See, after cout two less than symbols, after these less than symbols we can use statement or endl or a function. Statement is nothing but a sentence like this. So statement will be printed. Statement is a sentence like this in double quotes. So a statement will be printed without quotes in output. See, here we written the statement inside the quote, double quotes, but output is printed without outputs. Without quotes, like here. What is this endl? Guys, this endl changes our output to new line. See, we printed codewithdare here. From here, it is not continuing here. like after E, it is not printing 3. It is going to new line. So the main aim of endl is to go to the new line. See guys, here you can find cout lecture number. Means it will print here we written variable number, variable name after this less than symbols. So here we won't get output as lecture hyphen number. We will get as the value stored in lecture hyphen number. So the value stored in lecture hyphen number is 3. So the output is 3. Okay guys, let us check if we want to use endl here, what will happen. Let's run this. See guys, our new output is not shifted to new line. Here after E we got 3. Okay. Okay guys, now we will see about cn. Not this one. Yeah, here cn. Yes, copy this code, come to compiler, just select this main, remove this and paste the cn code here. Okay guys, see here, now we know about line 1, 2, 3 and 4. So guys, here we declared a variable but we not stored anything in it. We can also declare like this. Now what this cin will do, it will ask user to enter a value and it will take the value and stores in variable with name lecture hyphen number. Confused? Don't worry, just run this program. Here you can see this compiler is waiting for the our response. Means it want to, it is here cn is asking to enter something so that it can store that something into this lecture hyphen number. So here we are entering a value. Let me type some value like 5 5536262 5536262 5536262 and enter. See guys, when we enter this 5536262, this value is taken by the cn and stored into the lecture hyphen number. And we know this function of the cout, use of this cout will print the value stored in the variable lecture hyphen number. So it is printed here. Don't confuse guys, here we didn't use endl, so but this is the given by us, so it won't mix up with the output. This is the output, this is not an output. Okay guys, there is some syntax change from cout to cn. Here in cn we only use greater than symbols, but in cout we use less than symbols. Please note it in your memory. Don't worry guys, if you confuse, you will know everything in future concepts. Don't give up if you are confused. Don't panic. Be with patience. We will learn everything. If you have any doubts, please ask in comment box. Guys, if you love our lectures, please do like our video. Click on subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.